Here in Butterfield Reserve we see eastern yellow robins, but once there were helmeted honeyeaters. Johns Hill Landcare wants to bring back these endangered birds. There's a big plan to enhance their habitat. From Yellingbo Nature Conservation Reserve all along the Warra Creek to Butterfield Reserve. It's the Beyond Yellingbo project. Now, Johns Hill Landcare are in partnership with the Friends of the Helmeted Honeyeater, and with advice from the Helmeted Honeyeater Recovery Team, we're working to improve their habitat. Helmeted honeyeaters love dense shrubs or thickets close to creeks and streams. Teaming up with Yarra Rangers Council, we've created feather plots after Steve Feather came up with the idea of using construction panels. It's easy to install and provides a tall enclosure to protect growing plants from destructive wild deer and grazing wallabies. With funding from Melbourne Water in 2019, we were able to install 5 feather plots with 700 plants, which we put in on a community planting day. The results were amazing. Everyone was excited to be part of restoring the critical habitat for the helmeted honeyeater. Melbourne Water was so impressed they gave us more funding in 2020. We've worked with the Yarra Rangers Council to install another 5 feather plots, and will be planting about 600 shrubs with the Yarra Rangers bush crew. Butterfield Reserve is a very special place in Emerald, and Johns Hill Landcare is committed to improving the helmeted honeyeater habitat and bringing them back to Butterfield.